For thriving plants, we recommend cleaning the water tank and the device every 6 months. To start the cleaning, let's first empty the water tank using the app. To begin, you'll need a bucket, a small tank, optionally a pump, and a rag. Vinegar may help with stubborn dirt. To access the water tank, remove lower trays while opening the app for the water change process. Remember to return the trays to their original positions after cleaning. Find a pipe which is located either at the back or front of the device, depending on your model. Place a bucket to collect the water and then mark V and continue in the app. Open the pipe valve. Once the bucket is full, close the valve, empty the bucket, and repeat the process. When no more water is coming out, mark V and continue in the app. Return the pipe to its original position, mark V, and then continue in the app. If there's any water remaining that the pump can't remove, use a small tank or a hand pump, if available. You may absorb with a dry rag any water left at the bottom. Once the tank is empty, clean the sides and bottom with a cloth. You can also use vinegar spray for stubborn dirt and wipe it thoroughly when finished. After completing the cleaning process, use the app to refill the water tank. For the manual water filling, pour the water into the tank until the indicator light is on, mark V, and then continue in the app. For devices with an automatic water filling feature, tap to fill water in the app to initiate the automatic process and watch the running progress bar. At the end of the process, click Finish. Lastly, return the trays to their original positions, ensuring proper alignment with the water hole in the tray under the water pipe. Wishing you healthy, thriving plants. The Agwa team.